Hi everybody and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to set up Shopify for affiliate marketing. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. Setting up Shopify for affiliate marketing is pretty simple. What you need to do is first you are going to be searching on top for affiliate, just like that. And you're going to be having a lot of apps that are going to be offering you affiliate marketing functionality. So you can see we have up promote affiliate marketing, we have affiliate, and we have various tons of them. So make sure to choose something with a nice rating, like for example up promote affiliate marketing. This looks pretty promising, and you can go through that. You have your tailor your ideal affiliate registration and all that stuff, your drive repeated purchases, and many more. So make sure to give a try to these and you will eventually come across something which is going to be offering nice affiliate marketing features. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.